Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Lacey, and right now I am recapping where we left off in the hallway makeover video. This is part 2.
Woman that I love.
So we'll be starting off this portion of the video with putting up the door trim. Right here I am connecting the hose to the brad nailer gun.
Someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls.
So I wasn't able to find the footage of me painting this wall, but I used the color Origami White by Valspar.
How I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she...
There is a few leftover nails from when I took off the trim that I forgot that I'm getting right now.
I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na. Never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na. Never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. And she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na. Never know, na-na. 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 She'll never know.
So right here I was struggling to get the nail to go into the trim. There just wasn't enough power in the small air compressor, and so I switched to this larger one. I decided to paint the trim the same black as the rest of the shiplap, which is Tricorn by Valspar. And I thought adding the trim to the store would make it a cohesive look with the rest of the house, and painting it black would just add a little bit of a modern touch to it. So I don't know if you've ever shopped for a barn door, but they are pretty expensive. They range from anywhere from $350 and up, and I found this one for $120 at Lowe's. You just have to kind of dig in and look for great deals when you can. It wasn't the color that I wanted, but to no avail, I was able to paint it and make it exactly what I wanted.
If you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Now for this door, I just used a pure white. I feel like it's nice and crisp and modern, and it matches my shaker style cabinets in the kitchen. And then I also got these letters from Amazon. They were originally this light color wood, and I stained them with Minwax wood finish penetrating stain in the color Special Walnut. I thought this color was rich and beautiful. It wasn't too dark, so it didn't completely clash with my wood floors.
Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you.
And here I'm putting together all the hardware so we can get it ready to put on the barn door to get it installed.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego. Someone heard.
Yeah, every bit of this door was a struggle for us. The holes didn't seem to be lined up right. We were trying to bang it in place, move it in place, shake it in place. We were trying everything. We finally got it in, and now we're ready to hang it up.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego.
just like that, we got the barn door on. Just kidding, girl. When I tell you we struggled with this door, we struggled. We couldn't get it to go past the door frame. It was a struggle bus over here. So remember all that hard work in the beginning of the video where I was putting on the trim and then, you know, painting it? Well, we had to take it off. And this is not a flattering picture of myself, but that is how I felt when we took off all that hard work to no avail, because it didn't solve the problem of making the door slide on the hinge. We actually had to completely take it off the rail and start over, and at this point the camera was dying, the battery was dying, everything was just not going right. So you didn't see how we put it on, but we eventually got it on the brackets.
Check. In my mouth, double as a freeze rate. habitación, qué rico mami. Pero en cosas del amor muchos fallaban. No veían nada, mi amor.
So let's take a moment to look at where we started and where we've come.
Nos entendemos haciendo el amor. No hay nada más que eso, estamos perdidos, perdidos. Y yo no sé ya, si fue algo más que el placer, si me amaste alguna vez ya, o si fuiste mi mujer. Por lo que he visto y lo que te gusta, amor de tu vida yo no voy a hacer. Dame una noche, te voy a demostrar que soy el pecado que amas con mi chica. Y si tú quisieras una sola vez conmigo, hay que
And so I know I've mentioned that we have a lot of different projects going on around the house. This right here is our half bath, and we are in progress of redoing it right now. We have new flooring and a new vanity, new toilet, and I've painted half of the wall white. So you have to stick around to see that finished project in an upcoming video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps my channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And here we are at the end of the video. I encourage you to hit that bell and get notified every single time I drop a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Home with Play. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.
Ser claro lo que quieres, bebé. Ya pasó.